Hey guys, welcome back to CryptoFrit community. Today guys, we're gonna talk about copy trading in Binance. And in this video, I'm gonna show you one of the example and I will share with you this example referral link for you can also use for own benefit, my dear friends. So before we start to talk about and discussing in the website, I would like to mention that that's not a financial advice, it's just informational. So let's dive into the project. And guys, this is the example that I'm talking about. This is the Binance copy section, and the copy trading referral link that I want to share with you is this PayMix bot. It has proven 7+ years crypto and 15+ years stock trading, less 10% MDD stable monthly income, capital protected from liquidation, and high risk. No DCA, only trend following, stop loss including in strategy. It has 10x to 20x leverage and API trading. Its day trading is 65 copiers in just one, total copiers generally 4, and more copiers is 5. And guys, let's start to talk about with copy trading. What is generally copy trading is? Copy trading, my dear friends, is a method that you're trading without spending time on any kind of app like Binance or different kind of app. So what it generally is, there was some persons or people in Binance that they share their own results about their trading method, and you can get those results by just copying, my dear friends. So what you're going to do, you're just searching generally who just copy trades, and you just copied their trading method, and they will earn some percentage by just trading for you, let's say, and you will also earn the most of the percentage of the money, my dear friends. So this is the general meaning of the copy trade, and this PayMix bot is one of the good copy trade in this and my dear friends. And guys, you understand now what is generally copy trade is. And in this example, I would like to show that this PayMix bot is one of the good copy trade. It has more let's say experience, and you can just start by mock copy. What is mock copy? It's just like a virtual. And guys, now I know that you understand what is generally copy trade is. So in this example, I want to show you that this PayMix bot is one of the good copy trader. It has more experience. And my dear friends, if you want to try this experiment and see the result with your own eyes, you can just click the mock copy. What is mock copy is, it's not a real copy trading. It is a, like, let's say, you can't just put real money on it. The mock trading is just shows you that if you put money, how result you will get. This is mock copy. And they also have a real copy, which is you really putting money on it. And once this PayMix bot using your money and with own strategy to making this money to increases, and once it increases, it will take on percentage, and the rest of it will be yours, my dear friends. So in this section, we can see that the lead traders overview is 93.65 USDT. Profit sharing is 10%. We can see from here, it will get from you the profit. It will get from you 10% profit that it make for you, and its performance is in 7 days. It's pretty good in 7 days. And we can see from here the 30 days performance and 90 days performance. We can see the general performance going well. And we have the one position here, which is BNB USDT perpetual. Size is minus 0.52 BNB entry price is 577, mark price 576.82, and margin is 49.99. Cross PNL, we can see from here, plus 0.24 USDT. So what we're doing here, my dear friends, we're clicking the copy section, we agreeing, and we clicking open now section. And my dear friends, this is Baymax Spot. As I mentioned it, when you click the share, you can see referral code from here. You can see the ROE, PNL, MDD, and win rate. You can just copy link, or if you want, you can download it. This is the referral link you need, and you can see just 30-day action and 90-day action by just clicking those information. And if you want to keep it for the future, you just can click edit a favorite one, and then if you click the copy, you will see this section, my dear friends, which is says it's just giving me the basic settings, because I never used for copy trading for my own. So let's keep it done, and this is the section we need to fill it. Order will be opened in proportion to your available margin balance, lead traders available margin balance. Copy amount, we have to start from 10 to 200, and total stop loss, we just need to write which percentage we will stop it when you will lose it. And when the estimate margin balance of copiers research USDT, it will trigger stop loss. It will trigger stop loss, market order to close all position, estimated PNL will be USDT. So we also have advanced setting is optional, which is can write margin mode, leverage, position risk, stop loss. If you know so much about trading, you will be just use those advanced settings because it will be good for you. And you just need to you just need to click I have confirm. Profit sharing is 10%, which is almost every copy traders has the same things, which is profit sharing is 10%. I have read and I agree with users terms and agreement. You just need to fill those section, and I will stop when it's 20, click the copy, need to confirm, and then you will be able to use this copy trading method, my dear friends. And once you use it, it has a general team, which is you will join this team, which this team has maximum 200 people, and you will be, for example, the second one or the fifth one. It's not a point, but once it has the maximum limit of people, you can join this. Person who just creating this account and copy trading method, he will need to increase the people who can join his own method, my dear friends. So that's all about this copy trading and this Baymax Spot, my dear friends. I hope you like it, and I hope that you're gonna click the like button and subscription button, guys. See you in the next video.